Okay, so currently we are here in our MS Excel environment. As you can see, my friends, we have the different data regarding their last names, their sales, their city, and quarter. So more likely this data came from a sales department of a specific company. So what we're going to do now is to learn how to do a basic filtering system. Okay, so as you can see on the home tab, under the home tab of our ribbon, we have here the sort and filter. Okay, so just make sure that your current active cell is on the column part of our data. Then click sort and filter, then filter. And okay, as you can see, there's a small button added in every cell of your column header. So basically, this is where we can have our filtering system. Okay, for example, we want to have the total sales of Mr. Santos. So let's filter the last name. So unselect all, then just click or just select Santos here. So basically, that's the total sales of Santos during first quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. That's how we can do the filtering. Okay, so for example, we want to know the total or the sales per city only. For example, let's have Taguig City. So let's have here Taguig. Okay, so on Taguig City, the only I presume this is agent, no? I presume the only agent there is Aguirre because there's only the Aguirre data. Other than that, no other data other than that for the Taguig City. Okay, so let's now try to filter per quarter. Let's check the first quarter. Okay, so first quarter, the highest sales is actually from Santos. Lowest is from Cruz. That's how filtering system works. For the second quarter, let's check. Highest is De La Cruz. Okay, second to the highest is also De La Cruz, but from Quezon. So this is actually, guys, a double entry, and we will be talking all about this type of data, double entry, on our next video tutorial. So De La Cruz, Quezon, second quarter. De La Cruz, Quezon, second quarter. Actually, we can already add this up, totaling of 430,000. And also, same with Cruz, double entry, Cruz, Manila, second, Cruz, Manila, second. So, actually, total of 90. This is a double entry. But through filtering system, we can see if there is an error, or we can have an insights too using our filtering system. And that's how filter works. Now, if we wanted to check the sales on Makati during fourth quarter, that is basically, we should first filter Makati here before the second quarter. And since there is no second quarter data, meaning to say, we can have now the insights that our goal can't be done since we don't have any data for second quarter. Alright, so that's how filtering system is working for MS Excel. Okay, let's try another city. Let's try Manila, for example. Okay, so since we have here Manila and we have the double entry for second quarter, we can actually filter the second quarter only. So as we can see, double entry again. This is actually almost the same with our previous one, 70 and 90 from Mr. Cruz. Okay, so if we wanted now to have a, let's select all this first. Select all. Okay, if we wanted to know the sales of De La Cruz, for example. So second, third, and second is actually, so we can have actually here an insight that De La Cruz is assigned to Quezon City because there's no other city assigned to De La Cruz upon our filtering. So that's how filtering system works in Microsoft Excel environment, and this is how this can actually help us in our data manipulation, especially if we are working on a big data, hundreds or thousands of data. Okay, so I hope you get it, my friends. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you on our next upload. Keep safe always. Bye-bye.